Oh guys, pasok kami dito sa kanina. Oh. God. Look at the door, guys. Strong. Ooh, ito ang loob. What do you call the two-door? Rose. Oh, okay. Oh, somebody's following me. There's a Tudor rose, guys. Yan. So, pinapreserve talaga nila dito. Nakakatakot naman yan, oy. Parang may babae sa may pintuan ng photos na yan. Guys, old na old ito. The 13th century carved stone. 13th century. Good. It's really nice, guys. Ito. Ano na kaya nito? Han, look at this, love. 13th century carved stone. So very old, but very still preserved nicely. Yeah, that is really nice.
This is Tudor.
Yan na, Tudor rose daw tawag yan, guys. So, ang ano sa ano na to nag-preserve yung during gumawa dito yung Tudor time. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ba mag-video dito, guys. Wala namang sinasabi. Basta hindi lang daw mag-sigarilyo. Tsaka yan. Ito siguro yung kitchen nila noon. Sabi how they cook before.
It's a fireplace.
Fireplace.
You don't touch anything.
Okay. Ito ang fireplace nila noon.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Don't touch it.
Ito yung fireplace nila, guys. Ang laki.
That is beautiful.
Grabe, antique na itong mga yan. Super ganda. Na-preserve pa rin nila ang building, guys. May music yata. ang sahig guys. Parang naalala ko ang sahig namin sa lola ko noon. Ganito ang sahig ng lola ko guys. Mga sa naunang panahon.
It was upstairs. It started when you go upstairs. You'll see there's a bit more notices up there. Yeah, it started in the what they call the upper morning room. So when you go upstairs, it's rather.
Kakatakot guys. Ganito na bahay, parang natakot ako. Pangalan niya is John Ellman. Yan. Ayoko na tingnan guys, natakot man ako eh. Yun mga old dress. Yan. Mga antique na itong mga gamit dito. Pinipreserve nila guys. Meron talagang mga staff dito. Binabayaran sila. That's a nice heating, han? Old heating? Is that heating?
It's not, yeah. It's like a window seat.
Windows, yeah. Ano is it?
Look.
Who is he, han? You know him? No.
The fire.
Oh, it's already damaged, look. Sira na. Hindi yata na. Mga old fireplace, guys. Fire back. Pinipreserve nila ito. Kakatakot mukha niya. Nilagyan ng kandila. Ito din guys, nilagyan nila ng kandila. So ito siguro sa hand. Do you think this is one of the owner? Or
the Sackville family.
Sackville family.
It depends on the first 30 years of their life. Right, yeah, well, that's yeah.
So ang may-ari dito sa ano guys, saan? Is he a king, love? He owns the merchant prior.
He used to rent it out.
Huh?
He used to rent out the house. He never lived here, but he used to rent it.
Yeah, so he owns here.
He owned it.
Yeah, he owned it, and then but he's not here.
He never lived here. He rented
Yeah.
it. Look at this chair. Look.
16th century. So yan siya guys, isa sa may-ari pala, nilagyan nilang candles dito din. So meron silang staff talaga. Hindi pala. Tapos ito naman, interesado na ako na ngayon. Hindi. The portrait of John Ellman of Glendale, 1925, was the tenant farmer at Place Farm in Glen. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Farmer siya guys noon dito. Okay, nilagyan nila ng candles. Mabuting ideas guys. Tapos ito, yung mga laman yan guys. Basahin natin ano to. Ganda oh, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda.
Supposed to represent a well-to-do late Tudor family, sort of in the 1600s.
Tudor family.
So they would be relatively well.
Have fish, they have meat, they have flies.
But maybe not in the right balance, maybe too much meat, too much protein, not enough vegetables. Yeah, as we would know it today. So maybe the poor.
Akyat ako dito guys. Tapos maalala ko yung sahig ng lola ko sa Pinas. Ganito, mga kahoy sa atin noon. Mga old house. Daming history ng building na ito, guys. May-ari nito, nagpa-rent. Tapos, saan ba ako maguna? Dito ako. May tao dito. Gusto ko dito eh. Yan. Wow. Yung mga banga ang tawag sa atin. King Henry 5678. Ito ang mukha ni King Henry VIII, guys. Oh. Thomas, okay, ito na. Sino si King Henry? Yan. Copy of portrait of an painted about times of this. Yan. Tapos, ito si Thomas Cromwell. Yan. Yan siya. Han? Oh. Henry the, there's a big photo of her. Cromwell and Henry VIII. May window chair. Yan. Tapos, may nag-ano sa labas, guys. May nag-archery. Yan, ha? Who's a nice guy, huh? Henry. Tudor, han? Tudor gentleman's residence. Ganda ng mga ano nila, no? Mga tawag nito. Cabinets. Oh, may tao pa pala. Yan din meron dyan. Ayun po, guys. Parang wala akong daming painting. Ang tagal na nito, guys. 1907, oh. 1907. Yung mga year. 1913. 1912. 1901. Ang tagal na nito. Ganda. Ang dami pa doong mga paintings, guys. Mga table, chairs, mga cabinets nila. Mga ano na talaga. Mga yan, mga antique na. Dito. Hindi pa ako nakapasok dito. Wow. Ganda tingnan, guys, no? Ako magtagal dyan. Ako lang mag-isa. Hindi na pwede. It's private na.
Oh, Jack, his name used to do it, didn't he?
Jack who?
Out of town. Used to do it at the end of his show. Jack Horton.
werken in het hotel dan. Ja, dus.
Nasunog daw dito guys, oh. Nasunog. Ito yung photos. Sunog sa 1927. A view from the south lawn showing the remains of the walls and chimney stack the morning after the fire. Yan daw. So, talagang pinipreserve na talaga nila itong building. So, inayos na talaga. 19. Grabe ang gasto dito. Sa kahoy pa lang guys, grabe na.
What plane?
Are you allowed to touch that? Are you allowed to touch that? Yeah. You sure?
Go ahead. That's being smashed. That's the. So all this is pitched. That staircase and everything is all pitched off of this one beam, okay? And this one here. This is you've heard the story, but we had a red ways going and someone nicked the
Ito na guys.
So there was 4 of the or 5 of the little kids. Right, who's got the button?